Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Excel practice data, full guide. Start by identifying your learning goals and choose sample datasets that match those skills. Next, search for reputable sources and filter files by format and size so they are easy to open. Organize files into folders named by topic and difficulty, and create a simple practice plan with daily tasks to build consistent progress. I'll walk you through the top places to find practice data and show how to pick the best files. Look for open data portals, education resources, and public repositories that offer CSV and XLSX formats. Prioritize datasets with clear headers and metadata so you understand each column. Save examples across topics like finance, demographics, and inventory to practice different functions and analysis techniques every week. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading PDFs and reference guides while you practice Excel with a crisp display and long battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you like. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once you download datasets, prep them for hands-on practice by cleaning headers, fixing date formats, and removing empty rows. Standardize number styles and units so formulas behave predictably. Create a master workbook with separate sheets for raw data, clean data, and practice tasks. Add a brief README sheet explaining column meanings and challenge ideas to save setup time for future practice sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.